This episode explores the Walkie Talkie, a compact handheld radio that changed how teams communicate in real time. Early models offered short-range voice channels, rugged build, and simple tuning, making field coordination faster than ever. Users learned to use push-to-talk buttons, durable cases, and channels that minimize interference while on the move. Its invention during World War II and subsequent uses in aviation and emergency services shaped modern portable communications and inspired mobile apps. Compared to telegraphs, landlines, and later cell phones, it provided instant, hands-free contact without heavy infrastructure reliance.